So what if that skill you have, the one you're really good at, whether it's baking, coding, or even just organizing your life, could actually become a real source of income? Well, it's way more possible than you think. In this explainer, we're going to break down the exact roadmap to turn what you already know into a profitable online course, even if you're starting from absolute zero.
Before we jump into the nuts and bolts, let's start with the single most important idea. This quote right here says it all. People don't buy courses for the sake of information, they buy them for the results. They're not paying for your knowledge, they're paying for a transformation. Getting this one mindset shift right from the beginning, well, it changes everything.
So, if people are out there buying transformations, why is right now the perfect time to sell one? Okay, let's dive into why turning your knowledge into income is genuinely one of the biggest opportunities for creators today.
Look, the whole world of learning has completely changed. We're past the days of rigid, one-size-fits-all education. People are actively looking for specialized knowledge that solves a very specific problem for them, and they want it on their own time. And that's where you come in. As an independent creator, your secret weapon is speed. You can create a course that meets a very specific need way faster than some big, slow institution ever could.
This brings us to the first major hurdle for pretty much everyone. What in the world should your course actually be about?
And this question right here, this is the #1 dream killer. It's that little voice in your head that whispers, "Who am I to teach this?" But here's the thing. The answer is probably not what you think it is.
Here it is, the big secret. You don't need a PhD, you don't need to have written a best-selling book, you just need to be a few steps ahead of the person you're teaching. Seriously, if you've figured out how to bake a decent loaf of sourdough or you've finally got your finances organized, you have incredibly valuable knowledge that a beginner would gladly pay to learn. To someone, you are already an expert.
Now, before you build a single slide or record a single video, you have to do this. This is totally non-negotiable, and trust me, it will save you months of wasted time building something nobody wants. Your profitable idea lives right at the intersection of what you know and what people are actively looking for. So how do you find that demand? You go where people are already asking questions. Places like Reddit, Quora, you can even check Google Trends. When you find people complaining about a problem and looking for a solution, you've basically struck gold.
All right, so you've got your idea, and you know people want it. Fantastic. Now, how do you actually structure a course that delivers those results we talked about earlier?
This 4-module map is the perfect, simple structure. Don't just dump a bunch of information on your students. You want to guide them on a journey. See how it flows? You start with awareness, introducing the problem. Then you move to clarity, explaining the why behind your solution. Module 3 is all about application, the literal step-by-step how-to. And you finish with mastery, helping them lock in those results for good.
Okay, a quick word on technology, because this is another place where so many people get stuck. Your students do not care about fancy camera work or Hollywood-level editing. They just don't. They care about clear, helpful explanations that get them from point A to point B. So keep it simple.
Your entire toolkit can literally fit on this one slide. You can use something like Loom to record your screen and yourself at the same time. It's incredibly easy. Canva lets you create amazing-looking slides with simple drag-and-drop templates. And Descript? It's a total game changer for editing. If you can edit a Word document, you can edit your video. No complicated software needed. Period.
Okay, let's get into the fun stuff. Let's talk about the logistics and how this all builds into a real business that actually makes you money.
Now, what's really cool about this is how it simplifies your choice of where to actually host your course. You do not need the most expensive, most complicated option to start. A beginner-friendly platform like Teachable is perfect, or you can even start with a super low-cost option like Gumroad. The goal is to get started, not to build the perfect, flawless system on day one.
How you price your course sends a really powerful message. Think about it like this. A low price, under $100, is an easy yes, great for an intro product. A high price signals premium access, maybe with personal coaching. But that middle tier, that's the sweet spot. That's where you price your course based on the value of the transformation you are providing. Don't you dare undercharge for changing someone's life.
So instead of constantly chasing individual sales one by one, you need a system. And that system starts with a lead magnet. It's just a freebie, a checklist, a guide, a mini workshop that solves a small problem for your ideal student. They give you their email to get it, and boom, now you can build a relationship and tell them about your paid course when the time is right. It's simple and it works.
So, does all this stuff actually work in the real world? Oh, you bet it does. Let's look at what's possible. Let me tell you the story of Sarah, a nutritionist who started in exactly the same spot you might be in right now.
Sarah had this amazing idea for a course on PCOS-friendly meal planning, but she started with 0 followers. Nothing. No email list, no big Instagram audience, just a powerful idea and a real desire to help people.
Now here's the brilliant part. Instead of building the entire course and just hoping people would buy it, she pre-sold it to just 12 people. This is such a powerful strategy. It proved people would actually pay for her solution, and their feedback helped her make the course 10 times better before she even launched it widely.
After her launch, she just focused on what was working. She used testimonials from her happy students to build trust and created a simple sales system around it. And within a year, she had scaled her business to a consistent $10,000 per month.
Sarah's story isn't about luck or magic. It's about following a repeatable formula. So let's boil down exactly what she did into a blueprint that you can use too.
This is it, the entire blueprint on one screen. Focus on one audience with one clear transformation. Launch before you feel 100% ready. This is huge. Let your student feedback guide you. Then and only then do you worry about scaling. This is how you build something that actually lasts.
So, if you're feeling inspired and you're ready to turn what you know into a real income stream, this is your very next step. The masterclass on the screen dives even deeper into the exact strategies that'll get you to your first $5,000 a month, probably a lot faster than you think is possible.